to look Master is enabled. Press the GPS switch button for 5 seconds. The remote control makes sound of drip. Shows GPS function is closed. The drone is unlocked and can take off. The drone has no GPS function at this time. Please pay attention to the flight distance and altitude when using it to avoid loss. Default low mode at boot. The drone has forward obstacle avoidance function. When switching to high gear mode, the drone forward obstacle avoidance function automatically fails. Click on the master tracking icon. When the horizontal distance between the drone and the target is about 2 meters, start tracking flight. Click on the hand control icon. The drone will follow the palm to fly up and down. The best distance between palm and camera is about 1 meter. Click on the tracking flight icon. The drone will fly according to the selected position. Battery replacement and charging. When remote control power indicator is lower than 2 grays, indicates that the remote control is low. Transmit signal reduced. At this time, you need to charge the remote control before using it again. When the drone power indication is less than 2 grays, indicates low power of drone. By now, the drone light changes from long lighting to flashing. At this time, the drone needs to be recalled for battery replacement. Press the battery buckle, pull out the battery, connect USB charging cable to battery charging socket. Connect the other end to a 5 volts 1 to 2 ampere adapter USB interface. The battery's blue light flashes from left to right during charging. The battery indicator is always on when fully charged. After charging, insert the battery into the fuselage. Blaze installation of the aircraft. Unscrew the screws. Take out the blaze. Pay attention to the corresponding A and B blades during replacement. Put blade on. Turn and tighten the screws. Common fault problem. 1. Mode 1 drone motor can rotate. The drone cannot take off, and the light flashes quickly and slowly. The GPS function is not turned off, and the drone in the post-production program. 2. After Mode 1 turns up the GPS function, the drone motor can rotate. The drone could not take off. The light flashes quickly and slowly. Recalibrate the geomagnet after restarting. 3. After Mode 1 takes off, the drone has been flashing and cannot hover, floating and drifting away. The ground is too smooth, and the environment is too dark, which will cause the optical full lens to be fixed. Please take the place where the light is good and the ground is not reflective. 4. After Mode 2 takes off, the drone keeps flashing and cannot hover, flows, and the remote control switches between Mode 1 and Mode 2. The GPS positioning is not good and the interference is too great. Please take it to an open and unobstructed place without high voltage wires. 5. Mode 2 drone motor can rotate. The drone cannot take off, and the light flashes quickly and slowly. Recalibrate the geomagnet after restarting. 6. The drone was shaking very badly. The blade is deformed or damaged and needs to be replaced with a wind blade. 7. If the screen tilts during flight, land the drone to a flight ground and perform the gimbal level correction again. 8. For example, the obstacle avoidance device can rotate normally during the flight, but it has no obstacle avoidance function. Land the drone on the level ground, turn off the power and restart it. 9. During the flight, the obstacle avoidance device cannot rotate normally and has no obstacle avoidance function. Land the drone, turn up the power, pull out the obstacle avoider, reinstall the obstacle avoider, and turn down the power.